Auz billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today our topic is war in Afghanistan regarding attacks 2021. This is a historical fact, an Islamic cultural fact that Afghan nation has a historical record regarding Islam and cultural world. So regarding evergreen topics in the news section, there is going on situation like that, conspiracy events and situations. In January, in War province, 2 people died, and there is lot of disturbance in the province of War, Darre Taimur village, especially targeted. The next incident or event is in Kunduz province, 7 security forces personnel died in Taliban attack. This is very also important province of Afghanistan. Like that, in 1st January incident, 2 journalists died in War province, Darre Taimur village. Now in Kunduz, Khanabad city, 7 security forces people killed by Taliban. So security situation is very bad in Afghanistan. And our next incident and event is in Kabul, 1 gunman shoot dead, 1 pilot and 1 member of Air Force security force in Kabul. Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan. There is too much violence from the beginning of this year. And our next one incident is, there is another incident in Gorian district, Herat province. Herat is in western location of Afghanistan, western province of Afghanistan, very important province of Afghanistan. Recently there has occurred a fire flamings incident with tankers of petrol, and 500 tankers I think damaged. So 4 security forces people killed by the terrorists. Our next incident is in Kunduz province, Baghlan area and Nimruz province. These 2 provinces are very important in Afghanistan. 2 days fighting Taliban between security forces of Afghan National Army. 40 security people are killed by Taliban. This is the fatal attack of Taliban on Afghan government. In the main Afghanistan, our next incident is in province of Herat. An unidentified gunman shoot on the vehicle of Afghan security forces. 3 persons killed in this incident. Our next incident is in northern Afghanistan. There is a Balkh province of Afghanistan. 13 Taliban were killed by Afghan forces. This is the fatal attack of Afghan National Army on Taliban. Is the holy river in between Uzbekistan and Afghanistan. There is Balkh area in also Uzbekistan, and related in Afghanistan there is also Balkh province in Afghanistan. But I have passion, great love for the word of Balkh. Balkh is a river, Balkh is a province. This is very holy, river, and I am very about this attack why there is bloodshed between Afghan army and Taliban. Both are Muslim. It is not good sign for the Muslim nation of Afghanistan. Our next topic is 3 policemen in Herat province were killed in bombing incident. So this is also very bad event in Afghanistan. Herat is also historical place in Afghanistan, have historical memories, evergreen memories, Herat. So inshallah, I hope there will be peace soon for the betterment of Afghanistan, Afghan Muslim people. Our next incident is female workers are killed by unidentified guerrillas in Jalalabad, Nangarhar province. Jalalabad is a very important historical city in Afghanistan near Pakistan. So this is also very bad event, and situations consist of conspiracy theories regarding journalism in Afghanistan. Our next incident is in Jalalabad city, Nangarhar province. There is an other event. One female doctor is killed, and Red Road district, Surkh Road district, 7 people killed by ISIL. Well-known name is Daesh. So Daesh is the satanic curse on the Afghanistan Muslim people and government as well. I pray to Allah Almighty, inshallah, very soon Afghanistan will get rid of Daesh. Our next incident is a car bombing killed a security officer and others wounded in Kandhar province. Kandhar is the main city or province in South Afghanistan, center of the South Afghanistan, main Shahra, main road to Kabul. Kandhar also have historical evergreen memories in the history of Afghanistan. So whoever is doing attack in all places of Afghanistan, it clear giving a message that that one organization clearly enemy of Islam, culture of Islam, history of Islam, Allah, Rasul, Quran, Islam as well, and the Muslim nation of Afghanistan. They don't have any relation with Islam and Muslim people of Afghanistan. So our next one incident conclusion is going to these are the incidents of 2021 of this year. So very bad situation and very threatening sign of our Afghan people, especially miserable Muslim people during last 40 years, bloodshed era in the Afghanistan by different countries, now different groups, especially Daesh. So I listen on news and VOA that American Foreign Office gave a award for brave and courageous women of Afghanistan in 2020. 7 women are selected in Afghanistan. But there is no right for men also. Both men and women are abusing by Daesh in Afghanistan. I pray to Allah Almighty that Afghan Muslim people get rid of from Daesh inshallah. Allah Hafiz.